Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Y30 wireless earbuds. These are currently available in our e-commerce stores. I'll leave a link in the description if you are interested in one of them. Before continuing with the video, if you do like our content, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. So let's have a look then into these wireless earbuds. So these are TWS, True Wireless In-Ear Headphones, and they are Bluetooth version 5.2. So in the box here on the side, nothing really here to point out, and at the back here, so we've got some of the features: twist lock, never falls out, durable build, lasts long, sweat proof for active use if you're doing sports. In terms of sound, we've got pure sound-based performance. In terms of wireless features, 3-button mic, volume, music and call control, universal control, so it works with iPhone and Android compatible, and it's Bluetooth as well. So on the side, just a color indication that it's black. So let's open this up. So inside the box, we've got the earbuds. Right here, we've got a USB charging cable, and we've got a instruction manual. So the instruction manual comes in English as well as in Chinese. I'll put that on the side, and I will put the USB cable as well on the side here, not required for now. And let's have a look now at the case. So this docking station case, it comes well protected, so I'm gonna just remove this protective film here. It's very simple. It's got some lighting indicator here. There is no brand, and at the back here we've got a USB port for you to connect your cable, and you open the case as such. And inside the case we've got the left earbud as well as the right earbud. So let's remove the earbuds from the case. So the earbuds at the moment, they come with a protective film here, so the pins don't connect and charge your earbuds. The first thing that you need to do really is to remove these plastic protection covering, and this is what the earbuds look like. Pretty neat, yeah? They look very nice, and I think they fit well into the ear as well. I'll be testing them out. I've got quite a few of these for sale, and as I mentioned, I'll leave some links in the description. So what we're going to do now is give some juice of charge on these. We will be pairing it with a mobile phone, and I'll show you how to do that as well. I'm gonna just place them back here into the charging case, but before I do that, I want to remove this protective film to test the charge. So I have removed the first one, just putting the protective film here on the side, and let's insert here the earbud. So it's already charging, because these cases, they do have a battery enclosed in them, and they do charge your earphones as well. So the right earbud, and the red lights are on, so it means it's charging. And here you can see the blue light also, so this indicates how much battery it has on this case. So as it starts going down, so you will need to recharge the case. So this is useful because if you go out for a run, or you're traveling, you're going to a business meeting, and you don't have your USB cable with you, you are unable to charge it. So the case itself has some battery in it. You can also see here when you close the case that you still can see the light whilst it's charging. So let's go ahead now and pair. So we're gonna go ahead and pair these Bluetooth earbuds with a phone. So I'm gonna power on my test device here, and I'm gonna go over to Bluetooth. It's currently disconnected, but I am going to connect it, and we are going to go over to more settings. So to pair the devices here, it's very, very simple. All we need to do is just remove them from the case, and actually it has started pairing mode, and I'm going to search for available devices here on my mobile phone. If it doesn't start pairing mode, you just tap on them for about 5 seconds and it will start the pairing mode. So it has identified the TWS earbuds. I'm going to tap on one of them. You only have to pair one of them. So pair, and here we go. So they are paired, and I can now test these. So I've got the left earbud here, so just testing this out. Oh, they actually fit pretty nice in my ears, and oh, actually, you know, these are actually pretty good. They are very comfortable. So I'm just remove this. I'm going to just play my video here. Oh yeah, the bass is really good. and the quality is actually very good. I'm very impressed by this one. It's a bit better than the previous ones that I have actually unboxed, but these ones, they actually sound pretty good. They have a really nice deep bass. Yeah, this is it really. Okay, so it's paired now with this mobile phone, and this is what the earbuds look like, as I mentioned. So yeah, if you're interested in one of these, I'll leave a link in the description for you to check them out. And if you have any questions, do please post them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.